Welcome back to another video of Learn with Moshida. Today in this tutorial, we'll make a filterable image gallery section using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here you see the final outcome of the project. It is also responsive on various devices. When I click a button, images are filtering and it shows the particular images which is related to the button. Not only that, the active mode of the button is also changed. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel Learn with Moshida. So without further delay, let's go to the code editor. Here I have already made the basic setup and linked the style.css and script.js file. Now I am going to make the HTML markup. First I take a div section with the class name gallery box. Next I take a div element with the class name section heading. Here I take a h2 tag. After that I take another div with the class name button group. Here I take a button class button and take active class next to the button class. Then take data filter attribute. Now duplicate the code and paste it 2 times. Remove the active class and change the data filter name. After completing the button group, then I take another div element with the class name image gallery. I take a div class img container within the image gallery. Here I take a div class with the name of item and insert an img tag within the item. Now copy the code and paste it 11 times and change the image path. Now open it on the browser. Here it is. Let's do the style. First I am going to make some CSS color variables. Now I am going to select every element using asterisk and set margin and padding 0, box sizing border box. Here I use RAM, so set HTML font size 62.5%. It will convert 1 RAM equal to 10 pixels. Now select body, background color, var bg color, var font color. Now select section heading, display flex, align item center, justify content center, font size 2.5 RAM, font weight 700, letter spacing 0.1 RAM, text transform capitalize. Now select section heading H2, margin top 0.5 rem, margin bottom 1 rem. Now gallery box width 100%. Now select button group, text align center, margin bottom 1 rem. Now select button group button, display inline block, margin 0.5 rem, padding 0.6 rem, 2 rem, font size 1.5 rem, font weight 400, letter spacing 0.1 rem, transition border none, border radius 0.5 rem, outline none, cursor pointer, transition all 0.4s, background transparent. Now select button group when the button is active or it is hover. Then background color var, font color var, busy color. Now select image gallery width 80%, margin auto. Now select IMG container, display grid template columns, auto repeat, auto fit, min max 22 rem, one FR, gap 0.5 rem. Now select IMG container dot IMG container dot item, margin 1 rem, cursor pointer, border radius 1 rem, transition 0.2s. Now select IMG container, IMG width 100%, height 100%, object fit, cover, border radius 1 rem. Let's open it on the browser. Now do the functionality of the web page. Here I have already linked the script.js file. Before now, it's time to type the JavaScript code. Now check the active mode of the button. It is working. Here I am in my CSS file. Now add the hide and show class within the CSS file. Now I am going to add the data filters name next to the item class. Finally, I have completed the filterable image gallery section. It is responsive in almost all devices. If you like the video and if it is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel Learn with Moshida. Thank you for watching the video.